Yeah, see? There you go. See? That's bad. Somebody would do that, bro. That makes me sick. Hope all's well. Today's Monday, the 23rd of October, 2023. I'm at a boiler maintenance. I got here, the lady told me it's not going to just be a maintenance, that her heat's not working. So I went downstairs, looked at it, and the pilot was out. So I replaced the thermocouple. It was a disaster how dirty it was. Pulled all the burners, cleaned them, and as I'm putting the plate on, I realized there's no rollout, and somebody bypassed it at one time or another. So I had a rollout. I'm going to go in right now and throw it on. I'm going to show you what I found, but I can't believe there's people out there that would do that. That's just bizarre to me. But let's go check it out. Okay, so I get here and she's like, yeah, no, it's a maintenance, but my boiler's not working. So they haven't had heat at all this year so far. But so all right, so I come in, it's a disaster. I mean, so I pulled all the burners, cleaned all the orifices, replaced the thermocouple, and it stays lit. So, but then I'm going to put this plate on, and I didn't notice it when I pulled it off, and there's no rollout. And I see it bypassed. I mean, that's nuts to me. So let me see if I can't get it to work. But when I fire it up, I mean, it fired beautiful. But it may have been, years ago, whatever. But I can't believe there's people out there that would leave it like that. So let's see. Let me see. See if the boiler starts like that. Yeah, see? There you go. See? That's bad. Somebody would do that, bro. That makes me sick. I threw that in. I didn't even have the right screw, but let's see what happens. That just came in basically from here. So your Molex came through your Y, all the way to your W here. So it's right here. Those two wires come down, and then this comes from the gas valve. And this thing was disgusting. But I cleaned it. I pulled, like I said, pulled all the burners. I did the orifices. And we're at 0 degrees. And I'm gonna have to run it. We're already at 18 PSI, is kind of high. Check the expansion tank. And I'm gonna let it come to temperature. Brake to 170. They have it kind of high here too. I like that. Safety's important, as everybody knows, but I mean, that's ridiculous. I mean, I guess we'll find out if it pops again, but I'd rather find out that breaks right now than leave. I mean, that's crazy. Here's the thermocouple that was bad. Oh, shit. Oh, that's a motherfucker. Excuse me. Let me put that on. Yeah, we're coming up quick, too, so. This was replaced last year, I think. I can't believe somebody didn't catch that, unless somebody in between, like another contractor came. But that's important right there. We're good here. Okay, so now what do we have? Pressure, temperature's 100 still. Okay, nice. Starting to come back hot. Starting. That's not a cooling. That's cooling. And that's cooling. Good. That's not. That is. That is. Okay, good. That's off. Yep. Good. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I wasn't even going to film that. Because it was a maintenance, but it turned into a dangerous situation. But she's all good now. Everything came back great. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day. Take care.